maker. We'll be using the rich coffee, which I usually prefer. Okay, so you require an empty bottle, a small one. Take up 2 spoons of coffee, add it inside the container. If you want a little strong one, add 1 more. I prefer a little strong. Add in 2 spoons of sugar. Now to this we'll add 1 or 2 drops of water. And you have to shake it well because with spoon it's not easy to mix it. I have almost mixed it for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it has to form a frothy mixture which you can see. Fine. Now let's start. Let's add in ice. Accordingly, if you want it a little more cold, you can add in more. Then add in the milk. Then you can add in the mixture. This is my coffee maker. A simple and easy way. It does not require any machine